Using a Capitec virtual card allows you to make secure online transactions without needing a physical card. Here's how to effectively use it. Open a Capitec account. If you don't already have one, download the Capitec app and follow the prompts to create an account. Ensure your account is active and verified. Access virtual card feature. Within the app, navigate to the card section and select the option to create a virtual card. This will generate a card number, expiration date and CVV. Add funds. Transfer funds from your Capitec bank account to your virtual card. This can typically be done via the app or by visiting a Capitec branch. Make online purchases. Use your virtual card for online shopping. When checking out, enter the virtual card details just like a regular debit or credit card. Secure transactions. The virtual card provides enhanced security as it can be used for one-time transactions or limited time uses, protecting your account from fraud. Track spending. Use the Capitec app to monitor your transactions and manage your budget efficiently.